This is REALME 12, and today I'll show how you can use the built-in screen recorder tool on this device. So to start, I will quickly show how you can easily start or end the screen recording, or start and end rather. So open your control panel, unfold the full layout of it, then find the screen recorder icon, here it is, tap on it, then grant it with all the essential permissions. Now tap at this button here to start the screen recording, and to finish it, simply pause or pause and stop it, like that. Now more advanced things are the screen recording settings and preferences. So in order to find them, launch settings, then go into additional settings, and here find and open the screen recording page. Here you can change your screen recording sound preferences, picture or image preferences, such as its definition / resolution and quality, the video frame rate, indicator, change the indicator location, record or not record video from front camera, show or hide the screen touches, and you can also change the video coding format. There are two options to choose from, so yeah. In order to find your screen recordings, simply open whatever app, Gallery Explorer app that you prefer to use, then go into Albums, and by default this phone creates the separate videos folder for those screen recordings that you'll find them at. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.